It's the perfect combination. Kid-friendly recipes your little ones can help make and they will love to eat. Cookbook author Janet Balsbaugh is here to show us the recipes. Good morning, Janet. Thanks for coming back. We appreciate it.
Thanks for having me. I appreciate it,
One of our favorite guests and authors, of course. Now, what we're seeing here are in your cookbooks, right?
They are.
Okay, this is after-school stuff?
After-school snacks, Right. And what we're doing here, we're taking cream cheese and we're putting it on celery. And if you add the raisins to it, it's called nuts on a log. Nuts on a log.
Nuts on a log.
That's what we were talking about earlier.
That's a good one.
No, we're going to call this ants on a log.
Ants on a log.
Yeah.
All right. You know, celery always has to have something on it. What does that say about celery?
That it's bland.
Not that great, right?
Bland,
okay.
yeah.
But you're very creative with the way you're dressing it up. Now, peanut butter always is classic with celery, right?
It is. But we haven't come up for a name for this yet. That's what we were kind of discussing.
The kiddies love helping to make things, by the way,
Yes, they do. And the more messier it is, the better. And you can add a few
and then you just
nuts
sprinkle
to
some.
that. Yeah.
There's all kinds of little creative ideas, and they're in your books here. Now, what are you doing with the bananas?
The bananas, my little grandson, Simon, he always called these peanut butter cupcakes. And basically, it's just your banana slices, and you're just going to add
There's a shot of a finished
it.
peanut butter cupcake. Anything called cupcake, you trick them into eating healthy stuff.
Oh, yeah. He's, I want peanut butter cupcakes,
It's all psychological.
Grandma.
Right?
Oh, yeah. So there's that. Now, what we'll do, we'll go ahead and make our dip for our vegetables over
here.
here.
The finished dip is right here.
Yes.
And you have put what into that?
I have put 2/3 cup of sour cream and 2/3 cup of mayonnaise.
Okay.
And we're going to add a teaspoon of the onion salt.
Onion salt.
Onion salt.
Interesting.
And 2 teaspoons of the seasoning salt.
So sour cream, mayonnaise, onion salt.
Yeah.
Seasoned salt.
Right.
And what's your secret little recipe is a dash of hot sauce, right?
Yeah, you can put 4 drops of hot Tabasco sauce in it if you like.
Interesting.
And we're going to use a half a teaspoon of the Worcestershire sauce.
Worcestershire.
Yeah, I said that with an R. How about that? I put a raw R on that one. And just mix it up. Oh, I forgot the dill weed. We got a teaspoon of dill weed in here.
Dill weed goes in there.
That's about a teaspoon.
I'll mix it up for you.
All right, you mix it up for me.
You know who likes the extra hot sauce?
Chris Mulcahy.
All right, so put in if you're leaving this in the studio, then a couple extra dashes.
Yeah.
Now for the kids, it may be a little less hot sauce or none at all. So it's all up to you. You can
and we'll let Chris taste
these,
it
right?
if he thinks it needs more.
All right, I'm going to
Actually,
continue.
that I'll probably take home because keep it in the refrigerator and he can add more to that one.
Okay, sounds good. For more on these recipes, go to fox45now.com. Click on Fox 45 in the morning. Janet, thank you so much
for
feeding us and feeding us in a healthy manner.